Riverside just made publishing your content a lot easier. With social scheduling, you can now schedule posts for Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, X, LinkedIn, and soon Facebook directly from your Riverside content planner. So once your content is ready, you can plan when it goes live without leaving Riverside. In this video, I'll show you how it works, how to connect your social accounts, what platforms you can schedule to, and how the content planner can help you organize more than just social posts. Let's get into it. Inside Riverside, head over to your content planner. This is going to be on the left side, just a little calendar icon and says planner. Click on that and that will open up this entire calendar view where you can see all the things that are scheduled. This is where you can plan upcoming content, keep track of what's scheduled, and manage different parts of your workflow. Now, before you schedule a post, you'll need to connect the social accounts you want to publish to. To do that, just come up to the right side portion of your screen, this icon that says new, click on that, and then you're going to come down to social media post. You can see there's some other stuff here. We'll get into that in a second. Click on social media post, and from here you can see I've already connected a couple of different things, like I've connected Instagram, I've connected YouTube Shorts, but let's go ahead and try to connect TikTok. Once you do this, a window is going to pop up and you can either use a QR code and scan for TikTok. You can log in with your email or phone or username, or you can continue with a Facebook login. Either way, doesn't matter. You can log in that way. You can connect your Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, X, and LinkedIn accounts to Riverside with Facebook coming soon. Once your accounts are connected, those platforms will be ready to go when it's time to schedule a post. Now that your accounts are connected, create a new social post in the planner. We've already seen this. Come up to new, go to social media post, choose what platform, and then you can upload your content. From here, you can choose where you want to publish, then select the video you want to post. This could be a clip you already made in Riverside or a finished video that's ready to publish. If you're using a clip in Riverside, there's actually already a list of all the different magic clips that have been created across all your projects, or you can select a specific project, or you can even search in the search bar. But if you're not using a clip from Riverside, you can just hit upload, and from here you can choose whichever file you want to upload to schedule. Once your video is added, you can fill out the details for the post. Riverside can generate a description for you, which gives you a quick starting point for your caption. You can keep that, edit it, or rewrite it to better match your voice. You can also upload a thumbnail, which is great if you want more control over how the post appears. And before it goes live, you'll be able to preview the post. That way you can make sure the caption, thumbnail, and video all look right before publishing. Now, once everything is ready, choose the date and time you want the post to go live. And that's it. Your post is scheduled directly from Riverside. Now, the goal here is pretty simple. Riverside is becoming one place where you can record, edit, plan, and publish your content. And for creators, podcasters, marketers, and teams, that makes it a lot easier to stay consistent. Because the more content you make, the harder it gets to keep track of everything and what's finished, what's scheduled, and what still needs to go out. That's where the content planner helps. And trust me, after making social media content for nearly 7 years, this process is much easier. Now, social posts are a big part of the process, but they're not the only thing that you can manage here. For example, you can schedule a recording session directly inside Riverside. Just create the session, add your details, and then choose the date and time that your recording session is going to happen. And you can even add a description or invite guests. Now, that recording session can live alongside your scheduled posts and other upcoming content. You can also break this down into different views from the right-hand side of your screen. You can do a month view, a weekly view, or a list view that will give you your upcoming content, your past content, and keep everything organized how you prefer to see it. The content planner can also sync with Google Calendar. So if you already use Google Calendar to manage your day, your Riverside content plan can show up there too. The bigger picture is that Riverside is helping you bring more of your content workflow into one place. You can record your content, edit it, create clips, plan what's coming next, schedule your posts, and publish to the platforms where your audience is already watching. Social scheduling is a big step towards making that whole process feel smoother, because once a video is done, getting it published should be simple. So whether you're posting clips, promoting a podcast, planning a webinar, or managing a full content calendar, Riverside's content planner helps you keep everything organized. If you want to try social scheduling with Riverside, you can use the link in the description to get started. And if you want to learn more ways to create, edit, and publish with Riverside, I'll link a few more videos up here and in the description below. Like and subscribe for more content just like this. And if you have any questions, leave them in the comments. I'll be happy to answer them personally. Thank you so much for watching. We can't wait to see what you create.